Are you ready to take control of your body, your energy, and your confidence? This is not just another workout video. This is your 30-day transformation challenge, and it starts now. Hey there, welcome to the 30-day body transformation challenge. Whether you're looking to shed pounds, tone up, or simply feel more alive, this journey is for you. And guess what? You don't need a gym. Just dedication, consistency, and a little bit of sweat. Week 1 is all about building the foundation. We'll focus on body weight exercises that ignite fat burn and boost metabolism. Jumping jacks, squats, push-ups, plank holds. Start with 30 seconds per exercise. Repeat for 3 rounds. Rest 1 minute between each round. Don't worry if you're a beginner. What matters most is showing up every day. Progress, perfection. You made it to week 2. Now we level up. We'll add cardio bursts and introduce resistance with bands or light weights. Burpees, mountain climbers, resistance band rows, Russian twists. By week 3, you'll notice real change. More energy, tighter core, visible tone. We target sculpting muscles while keeping your heart rate high. Think circuits, supersets, and HIIT intervals. This is the final week. You're stronger, leaner, and more disciplined. Now it's time to dominate every rep. Push yourself. Trust your transformation. You've come so far. In just 30 days, your body can change. But more importantly, so can your mind. This journey isn't just physical. It's mental, emotional, and powerful. If you're ready to transform your body in 30 days, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow along daily. Your future self is cheering for you, and so are we.